Hey guys, welcome back to my channel for another video and happy CVS Sunday. So CVS is looking pretty good this week. It's not too bad. However, my CRTs just aren't really there for me to want to do too much today. We did get some good coupon inserts today, this morning. So if you grabbed your inserts, definitely hold on to those bad boys because we can put them to use at CVS this week. It's an okay week. I'm just not really going hard at it today. I may be doing 2 or 3 transactions, not even a cartload, and doing, I don't know, not even 10 deals. It's just a very small, short, mighty sweet haul, which I told you guys last week when my haul was pretty small that I kind of like smaller hauls. They're just easier for me to work with for some reason. I don't know. So we're going to go ahead and talk about some of the deals I'm grabbing at CVS this week. If you are new and just found my channel, welcome. I am so glad you're here to shop with me today. Please be sure to consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you never miss another upload. And we're going to go ahead and get into store and see what deals I'm going to grab in my cart. Start out with my main account doing the spend 30, get back a $10 extra buck on Poise. My store luckily had 2 of the 1 by Poise pads left, which is what I needed to make this deal great. We're going to go ahead and grab 2 of them at $7.79. And lastly, I'll grab one of these Poise Ultra Thin 36 packs at $16.49. So with all 3 products, we are at $32.07. I have a 5 off 15 Poise Ultra Thin CRT I sent to my card for that big package. A 4 off 12 1 by Poise CRT I also sent to my card for those 2 1 by Poise products. I have a $4 digital coupon for the larger Poise Ultra Thin pads, and then 2 of these $3 coupons from today's Smart Source, the May 15th, for the 1 by Poise products. That will leave me to pay $13.07, getting back the $10 extra buck for the promotion. We'll go ahead and submit to Fetch Rewards, getting 2,000 points, $2 back for the Ultra Thin pads, 4,000 points when you buy 2 1 by Poise products, $4. From Ibotta, $1 back for the Poise Ultra Thin, $3 back times 2 for the 1 by Poise, so $6. And when I buy any 1 by Poise product at CVS, I'll hit a $1 bonus. So that makes all 3 of these not only free, but a $10.93 moneymaker. That is great money to start my day. Obviously, I'm going to do that Huggies Wipes promotion I mentioned in my best deals video. So they're on the same promotion as the diapers, so be careful since that is a limit of 1. So the Huggies Wipes are buy 1, get 1 half off. Buy 2, get back a $5 extra buck. It says any wipes. So we can go ahead and grab these 1 count here at $4.59. Half off will be $2.29, so both totaling us $6.88. Getting back a $5 extra buck makes it $1.88 for both, or 94 cents each, which is a great price as it is. If you have a baby wipe CRT, compare this in to make it maybe even cheaper or potentially free. So my next 2 products I'm grabbing are not on any extra buck promotion. It's more of a personalized sort of deal, but if you have the same coupons and CRTs as me, maybe you'd want to consider adding this into your cart this week. So I'm going to grab one of these little Bioteens here at $5.99. And then I'll grab a 500 milliliter bottle of Listerine at $6.99. So these 2 products total me to $12.98. I have a 2 off 12 mouthwash CRT that will work with both of these. I have a $2 CRT for the Listerine, a $1.50 app-only coupon for the Bioteen, a $2.50 manufacturer coupon for the Bioteen that does expire today. This is from the May 1st save insert, and then a $1 coupon for the Listerine from today's save insert, the May 15th. So that'll leave me to pay $3.29, getting back $1.50 from Ibotta for that Bioteen. No rebate back for the Listerine, but it's still a good deal pairing it in with this, and it's my husband's favorite. So that makes both mouthwashes $1.79 or 89 cents a piece, and it knocks out an Ibotta rebate. So I really like this deal. It's 2 of our favorite mouthwashes personally. So we have Degree, Dove, Axe, and I believe Schmidt's on a spend 15, get back a $5 extra buck promotion. So the Degree dry sprays and the Motion Scent stick deodorants are included. I'm going to grab a dry spray at $7.99 and then one of the Motion Scents stick deodorants at $6.79. With the 2 of them, they total me to $14.78, which is in the 98% of spending 15 to still trigger earning back a $5 extra buck. I have a $1.25 digital for the stick deodorant, a $1.50 digital for the spray deodorant. We also still have printables available on coupons.com if you want to use those. And then I have a $2 off of Degree CRT and a $3 off when you buy 2 Degree CRT. That brings my cost down to $7.03. Getting back a $5 extra buck makes it $2.03 or $1.01 each. Definitely a good price for these in my opinion, and I'd hold on to your receipt in case some rebates pop up on Ibotta or Fetch Rewards later in the week to make this maybe even cheaper or free. So we're going to move over to my side account and do one little transaction using a spend 40, get $8 off. So why not go ahead and do the spend 40, get back 10 this week. I'm going to start by grabbing one of these 46 fluid ounce bottles again. They are on sale for $6.99, and I am going to use a $1 printable coupon from pggoodeveryday.com. Next, I'll grab 2 Neutrogena Sunscreens. They are included at buy one, get one 40% off this week. So I'm going to grab that one at $13.99. My half off item would be $12.49 retail, but ringing in at $7.50. I have this 4 off 2 coupon from, I believe, today's Smart Source insert, the May 15th. We also have a 4 off 2 digital coupon that I believe will double dip with this. And lastly, I'll throw in the Head & Shoulders on sale 2 for $12 this week. We have our 3 off 2 digital coupon that should double dip with the 3 off 2 paper coupon that you can find in the May Procter & Gamble insert. So with all of these products here, we are at $40.48. So we're safe to use the 8 off 40 and all of the coupons we went over, including the double dip on the Neutrogena and Head & Shoulders that I expect should happen. So that would bring us down to paying $17.48 after all those coupons. And like I said, the 8 off 40, earning back a $10 extra buck. And what I did not realize planning my haul, I did not realize until I came home, I can submit to Activate Rewards for their summer rebate of spend $15, get back a $5 gift card for those Neutrogena items. I went and looked to see if they were qualifying products for that gift card promotion, and they are. And I'm pretty sure with the Activate Rewards, they count sale price. So since they're ringing in buy one, get one 40% off, we are well over 15, but we're not quite at 25 to earn the 10. But stay tuned till the end of the video. I'll go over it a little more thoroughly. The deal was already going to be pretty good without me considering that reward back. But now factoring in that $5 gift card along with a $10 extra buck makes the final cost $2.48 for all 5 products or 49 cents a piece. But even cheaper considering I'm using my Care Pass today, which is a free $5 I get to splurge with. So that is everything I'm grabbing at CVS for today. My CRTs just weren't really aligning with many of the sales this week, and there wasn't too much I was running for except that Poise deal that made me some good money to get some items I really wanted. So the way I'm dividing up the transactions, obviously my side card will be my spend 40, and then we're going to do everything besides the Biotine and Listerine in one transaction. Considering I'm using that 25% off Listerine, I don't want to pay with extra bucks so I can get more value out of that percentage CRT. So I'll just use a Fetch Rewards gift card to get the most bang for my buck and see how much ends up coming off that 25% off. And for those interested in looking into the Activate Rewards summer rebate for those Neutrogena items, it also includes many other brands. I will link that in my description box so you guys can check that out and maybe work it into your deals this week. So we're going to go ahead and head home and go over receipts, transaction, and final cost. So we are back home from CVS, which normally we do not film the outro at home. I'll be completely honest with y'all. I filmed the outro, and then on the ride home, I had a realization hit me, which makes this haul even better. So I am refilming it because it was too much to edit. I'm just going to restart from scratch and film my outro from home. And we're actually upstairs in my little office / stock room. So we're never really in the house filming much these days. My house is loud. Anywho, everything went super well at CVS besides my $4 digital coupon for the Poise Ultra Thin did not come off at checkout. Even though I scanned it in the app, it was attaching, kind of a bummer. And I knew my transaction was $4 higher. However, I'm not going to cancel it and retry it. I just ended up paying it, but I put it all on a Fetch Rewards gift card today. I redeemed for a $25 gift card. I wasn't paying out of pocket today, so luckily, when I got back in the car, I checked on the coupons app for a reimbursement, and they do have a $4 reimbursement on that, so I will submit to that, so that makes it, even out. So we're going to go ahead and get right into the receipts. So my first transaction was over here with my spend 40, get back 10. I did this on my side account since I had 8 off 40, so everything rang up correctly as far as I can tell. And then we see the Neutrogenas. So my $13.99 one and $12.49. $12.49 will be my 40% off items. So I think that comes to about $7.50 for that. So my coupons, $4 for the Neutrogena, $3 for the Head & Shoulders. My Head & Shoulders and Neutrogena Digitals did double dip. My 8 off 40. I did use my $10 Care Pass, but since I pay $5 a month to get 10, I had a free $5 to work with, so I only paid out $5 there. And then I also used an $8 extra buck, leaving my subtotal at 47 cents. And I did get back that $10 extra buck right there. Now, second transaction was on my main account. We did the Poise, Huggies, and Degree. So that one, obviously, the only issue I had was the Poise did not come off for the $4, but everything rang in correctly. And my coupons, the two $3 coupons for the one by Poise, my Degree Women's Digitals for the spray, and the solid 5 off 15 Poise, 4 off 12, 1 by Poise, 3 off 2 Degree, 2 off Degree. I did roll $21 in extra bucks, leaving my subtotal at $9.98. Obviously, it should have been $4 cheaper, $13.60 after tax. I put that all on a Fetch Rewards gift card. Thank goodness for that. I did get back $10 for the Poise, $5 for the Huggies, and another $5 that was for the Degree. Now, my last transaction, I did Listerine and Biotin by itself because I was using that 25% off Listerine. I didn't want to pay with extra bucks. That was also another reason I cashed out a Fetch Rewards gift card today, so I wasn't paying a high out-of-pocket out of my own wallet. I could also use my PayPal debit card, but I had a lot of points on Fetch Rewards that I accumulated, so might as well go ahead and use that. So that one came in perfectly fine. Everything rang in correctly. $2.50 off of Biotin, $1 off Listerine, 2 off 12 mouthwash, 2 off Listerine, $1.50 off Biotin app only. Did not reduce itself this week, thank goodness. So my 25% off Listerine took off 69 cents. That is after all the coupons. So the percentage off coupons, well, CRTs, they come off of your total after coupons are used and after extra bucks are used. So 69 cents came off, which is still something, leaving my subtotal at $3.29. We got back no rewards for that, but we did obviously submit to Ibotta for the Biotin. These are just my husband's two favorite mouthwashes, and since I had good coupons and Moneymakers today, I figured I would go ahead and pay for that. Plus, it was a nice Ibotta rebate, so that was that. So we're going to go ahead and get into the original cost. So with everything here, just sale price, but also counting in buy one, get one half off or buy one, get one 40% off, we were at $107.20 worth of product today. Out of pocket between subtotals and extra bucks used between both accounts, but also considering I only count $5 of the Care Pass used as cash paid, the other $5 is free money for me to work with, $47.74 out of pocket today. Now, in rewards back, we got back a total of $6.09 from Fetch Rewards. That was for the Poise Ultra Thin, $2 for that, $4 back for the two 1 by Poise, and then a couple additional points for the Huggies. And then from Ibotta, $9.60 in rebates. So I got 10 cents for uploading any receipt. The $1 bonus for buying the 1 by Poise at CVS. The $1 back for buying the Poise Ultra Thin. $3 back times 2 for the two 1 by Poise, so $6. And then $1.50 back for the Biotin. I also hit my $3 weekend bonus. Then in between both accounts, I got back $30 in extra bucks today. I will submit to the coupons app for a coupon reimbursement of $4 back on that big boy backpack of Poise. And then I had the realization that driving home, I know there's an Activate Rewards rebate out there for spend 15, get 5, or spend 25, get 10. I heard Jody Dunn and Sarah from Shop with Sarah mention it this past week. I believe it's Activate Rewards / summer. So I went and looked at it when I got home because I was like, I know that Neutrogena is a partner and brand with those Activate Rewards rebates. So I went ahead and looked at it when I got home, and I noticed that the Neutrogena, the exact ones I bought here, they're 6.5 fluid ounces, the 70 and the 30 that I bought, those are included as participating products to get back a gift card. Now, I'm pretty positive, correct me if I'm wrong, the Activate Rewards counts the price after, I believe it counts the sale price. So in this case, I think it's counting buy one, get one 40% off. If it counts the full price, I'd get back a $10 gift card, but I'm pretty sure I'm only going to get back $5. After the buy one, get one 40% off, I was well over $15. I was at about 19 right there with that. So I'm going to go ahead and count back in the $5. I went ahead and submitted for that, which y'all, I don't even know how I overlooked that when I was planning these deals, but that I'm glad it dawned on me when I got home that, oh my gosh, I can make an extra easy $5. Now, so that was great. I submitted to that. I will let you guys know later in the week in the community tab or in a pinned comment here how that goes, if they accept it for $5 or $10. I know I'll at least get $5. So we'll see how that goes. So getting back the supposed $5 and all those other rebates I already submitted for makes the final cost for everything here a $9.95 moneymaker. If I knew it was going to be that big, which I already knew was going to be a moneymaker, but was not counting the Activate Rewards promotion for the Neutrogena, if I knew I was going to have $9 more to play with, I would have definitely splurged a little bit more. I couldn't take advantage of the Huggies deal again. They didn't have any more of the single packs. I would have liked to do that to stock up. Wipes are a hot commodity in this house. But yeah, that was quite a shocker. I knew that I was leaving CVS with a $4 moneymaker. So glad it dawned on me. It was like Jody Dunn was in my head saying, Abby, there's free money sitting here with this Activate Rewards rebate, and I love those Activate Rewards rebates, so I'm overall very happy with it. I will link that promotion for the gift card for the Neutrogena down in my description box. And it's other brands besides Neutrogena. I believe it's Band-Aid, Aveeno, Benadryl, all sorts of things. I just happen to know Neutrogena is constantly a participating product with those promotions. So glad that hit me. So $9 in profit today for all this stuff. That was $107. Not too shabby of a day's worth of work. So I am so happy with this. Let me know what deals y'all are grabbing at CVS this week. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to sign up with your rebate apps for Fetch Rewards and Ibotta with my referral links down in the description box. It would mean a lot to me, and obviously it would help you save a little bit of money. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!